Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator living in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with my fiance Skylar and my Labradoodle India, who is back here. So I'm originally from the Pacific Northwest, although my family currently lives all over the country. So for this Thanksgiving, I will be visiting my family. So I wanted to get my Christmas decorating done early, especially because I have a lot of content that I wanted to get out for Christmas. So in order to be able to do that and get it all done before my trip so that I can just relax with my family, I have to get a start on all my decorating early. I don't normally decorate this early, although I think I might start doing this from now on because I've always felt like I didn't have enough time to really enjoy my Christmas decorations. So I think getting a head start will actually be a good thing. So I am in my little parachute linen pajamas that I just got recently, and they're in this really cute kind of like festive-y, Christmassy color. So I thought that I would wear these today while decorating for you guys. Skylar is getting some work done and Indio is going to be out here helping me, unless he starts barking or something, and then I'll have to put him away. So I already put all of my fall decor away, and I've got my Christmas decor here on the floor. You guys can't see it right now, but I wanted to kind of show you guys everything first and then kind of let you know where I got the items in case you guys are looking for something similar. And I am doing a boho chic style Christmas decorating for my apartment because my apartment is very bohemian chic, as you guys can see. So I don't really do like the traditional Christmas decorations. I kind of go for more of like a bohemian type feel with my Christmas decor, which you guys will see. So I picked up a couple of things recently from the Target dollar spot, so I'll show that to you guys first. So I picked up 4 of these little mini Christmas trees. So there's a little mini green one, an unfinished one, a little black Christmas tree, and then a little white Christmas tree. So I picked these up because they coordinate perfectly with the little mini trees that I picked up in the Target dollar spot last year, which are here somewhere. I just have to find them. So I thought these were super cute and they were only $1 each. I also picked these up last year from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia line. That's Joanna Gaines line at Target. So I picked up 2 of these wood bead garlands last year, and I basically wrapped these around my tree and a couple of garlands. Okay, so here are 2 more of those trees I was telling you guys about, and these are kind of just one size bigger than the mini ones. I wrapped these all up in butcher paper and put them in a box to keep them safe, the ceramic ones. So here's another ceramic one, a couple more wood trees. I've got these wood bead garlands that I got from Walmart last year. I think I got 2 of them for $5 each. And then this Christmas tree topper I got from Target a couple Christmases ago. And then we have some ornaments that I DIY'd, like these little wood bead ornaments, these little tassels. I did these DIY TikTok videos on how to make these, but I didn't do a blog post, which I might do this year. We'll see. I might not end up having time, but all of my ornaments I actually DIY'd last year. I just kind of used random boxes to store these just to keep them safe. But here are my little terracotta rainbows that I DIY'd as well. So it's a whole box of just the rainbows. Also made them in these little like triangles. And then I have even one more box here with these little circular ones that I made, kind of like a take on the classic ornaments. And then a couple more rainbows in here. And I DIY'd those just because it's really hard to find bohemian style ornaments. A lot of them are always kind of like in the traditional red, white, blues, like icy blue kind of colors, whereas I wanted more like earth tones, so I decided to just go ahead and DIY my ornaments myself. I also have a couple of garlands here from the Target Christmas section. These were pretty affordable. Can't remember how much they were though. I think they were like maybe $10 each, maybe a little bit less. I think I even got like a buy one get one like free deal or something like that. White Christmas lights. I also have these really cute little stocking stuffers that came in a set of 4, and they're just like these little crocheted stocking stuffers that I got on Amazon last Christmas. And then lastly, we have our tree from the Wonder Shop at Target. And this one was one of their smaller sizes, one of the more affordable ones. I think was like 50 or something. It might have even been a little bit less, but probably was 50. So pretty good deal for that. Okay guys, that is all of my Christmas decorations. I also have a couple of eucalyptus garlands from my fall decor that I may or may not incorporate, we'll see. And then after I'm done decorating, I'll be able to tell if I need any more Christmas decor. The thing is that last year we had pretty much no decor or furniture during the holidays last year because we had moved from across the country, kind of had to start over from scratch. So this year our apartment is fully decorated. So I'm just gonna have to see where all of this takes me, and then I may end up needing more, not sure yet. But let's go ahead and get started with our decorating. Okay, so last year our Christmas tree was here on this wall, and then I think the chaise was actually over on this side. So that's how we were able to put the tree there. But this year, I'm going to put the tree right here. I actually just moved the couch forward closer to the console so that I'd have enough room to set the tree up back here. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I just finished fluffing my tree and putting the topper on, and I've got my little tree skirt, which is actually just a throw blanket. Might need to look for an actual tree skirt this year. And I've got all my decorations here. So I think I'll start with the lights and the garlands, and then hang the little ornaments. Not all of these ornaments are going to be for the tree. Some of them will be from my garlands, which you guys will see next. Okay guys, sorry the lighting is kind of overexposed in here, but here is what the final tree looks like. May end up moving those around a little bit, but I think it looks really good for now. And then I saved a bunch of ornaments here for my garlands, and if I don't need these for my garland, then I will fill the rest of the spots on the tree with them. So let's go ahead and start with hanging the garlands. Okay, so we are here in the kitchen. Last year I actually hung a garland from here, one of the Christmas garlands, but I have a eucalyptus garland that I had there for fall. So I think I might just try to see what it looks like with that garland with my little Christmas trees, and then if that still works, then maybe I can use the garland that I used there in a different spot. So we will see. I also need to switch out my little letterboard to say something cute for winter. So here's what it looks like with the Christmas trees, and we'll just leave it that way for now. And I've got my garlands here, which I hung up in the hallway last year. So one here and then one on the second one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang those up now. I think I might have even cut one into 2 pieces. So I think I have like one long one and 2 smaller ones. Not totally sure, but we'll go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so last year I actually had my little garland hanging down equally on both sides, but this year I have my little bookcase here, which was a new addition. So I think I'm just gonna have the garland stop right there at the corner and then just hang down on this side. So I was trying to find a piece that was the right length for that, and I think this one will work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hang that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one for now, and I'll have to fluff it out later, maybe add a couple more ornaments, but let's go ahead and hang up the next garland on the second entrance to the hall. Okay, so here is what those look like so far. So like I said, I didn't go both sides with this garland. Otherwise it would kind of interfere with my new bookcase there, but I still think that looks really good, and at least I have the other one that's fully wrapped, and now I have extra garland. So I'll be able to use these pieces and a couple more ornaments here somewhere else. Just have to figure out where that is. Since I don't have a hearth to hang my stockings from, I hung them from this wood wall rack last year, and I decided to hang them up again that same way this year, and I think that looks actually really cute and it brings a little festive touch to the hallway. Okay, so I have these bookcases here with a fall eucalyptus garland, but I think I am gonna go ahead and switch that out for one of my Christmas garlands and then add some Christmas trees to the top of the bookcases. I had some fall decor there before, kind of like as a little hearth area, I guess, since I don't have one. So I'm gonna go ahead and display my little Christmas trees there and switch out the garland. I'm probably gonna have to add a few more more things to the top because it's looking a tiny bit bare, but so far it's looking really cute, I think. Here's a slightly closer look just so you guys can see my mini wood and ceramic trees. I'll probably have to pick up a couple more for some of the other spots now that I have a lot more tabletops and surfaces to put decor on. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I do have a little bit more Christmas decorating that I need to do. I need to fluff all of the garlands, fluff the tree up a little bit more, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy another Christmas garland for the kitchen shelf. And then I think other than that, I'm pretty good, except for maybe a couple more little tabletop decor items like some mini wood trees or something like that. But I hope that this video gave you guys some inspiration for decorating your own home for Christmas, especially in the boho chic style. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't currently subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe for more thrifting, home, and styling videos. And also be sure to follow along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling. Thank you so much for watching. I'm wishing everyone happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.